Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and luxury travel lovers, as we take an exclusive look at a brand new fifth wheel that is completely changing the game for full-time living. Today we are stepping inside the highly anticipated 2027 Riverstone Onyx 38BMB, a stunning luxury recreational vehicle that promises to deliver true residential comfort but in a significantly more manageable size. For years, the Riverstone lineup has been synonymous with massive, uncompromising luxury rigs that offer every amenity imaginable but can sometimes be intimidating to tow and navigate through tight campground spaces. For the 2027 model year, the manufacturer has listened closely to consumer feedback and introduced the Onyx 38BMB, bridging the gap between absolute high-end opulence and practical mobility. From the outside, this fifth wheel retains the bold, commanding presence that the brand is famous for, featuring a sleek aerodynamic front cap, premium full-body paint options, and a robust heavy-duty chassis designed for four-season durability. But the true masterpiece is revealed the moment you step through the entry door. The interior layout is an absolute triumph of spatial engineering, utilizing a clever bonus room floor plan that maximizes versatility without stretching the overall length to extreme proportions. The main living area feels like a high-end luxury apartment, boasting premium residential furnishings, solid surface countertops, and a fully equipped chef-inspired kitchen complete with a massive residential refrigerator and a large conventional oven. Natural light floods the cabin through expansive panoramic windows, creating an incredibly open and airy atmosphere. The master suite is a true sanctuary, featuring a massive king-size bed, ample wardrobe space, and a beautifully appointed en-suite bathroom with a residential-style walk-in shower. What makes the 38BMB so special is that it manages to pack all of these flagship-level amenities, heavy-duty insulation and off-grid capable solar prep, into a footprint that is far less stressful to pull behind your heavy-duty truck. It is the perfect compromise for couples or small families who want to travel the country in uncompromised luxury without dealing with the sheer bulk of a 45-foot trailer. In conclusion, the 2027 Riverstone Onyx 38BMB is a remarkable achievement, proving that you can downsize your rig without ever downsizing your luxury lifestyle.